Module 12 Assessment Accountability. This assessment is to ensure you grasp the concepts reviewed in Module 12 Accountability. This assessment is designed to focus on the content you are least familiar with, so you can review, understand, and retain it before moving on to the next module. Note, written response questions will appear graded as 0 until read and reviewed by your direct supervisor. They can modify the score if justified. Section 1, Self-Discovery. This section is not for marks. This section of the quiz is designed for you to find out more about yourself. We ask you to critically think about your own understanding. Diversity and inclusion. Instructions. Where would you place the tiles? This exercise seeks to evaluate your diversity and inclusion knowledge and awareness within your team. There are no right or wrong answers, only discovery of self and others. Box 1. Known. Things we are aware of and understand. Box 2. Known. Things we are aware of but don't understand. Box 3. Unknown. Things we understand but are not aware of. Box 4. Unknown. Things we are neither aware of nor understand. Tiles. Gender, race, sexual orientation, dietary restrictions, culture, learning styles, education credentials, ethnicity, professional experience, age, nationality, differently abled, communication styles, introversion, extroversion. What were your known unknowns? Things we are aware of but don't understand. A. Gender, race, sexual orientation, dietary restriction, culture, learning style, education credentials, ethnicity, differently abled, professional experience, age, nationality, communication styles, introversion, extroversion. What were your known knowns? Things we are aware of and understand. Gender, race, sexual orientation, dietary restriction, culture, learning style, education credentials, ethnicity, differently abled, professional experience, age, nationality, communication styles, introversion, extroversion. What were your unknown knowns? Things we are neither aware of nor understand. Gender, race, sexual orientation, dietary restriction, culture, learning style, education credentials, ethnicity, differently abled, professional experience, age, nationality, communication styles, introversion, extroversion. What were your unknown knowns? Things we understand but are not aware of. Gender, race, sexual orientation, dietary restriction, culture, learning style, education credentials, ethnicity, differently abled, professional experience, age, nationality, communication styles, introversion, extroversion. How did you feel after watching the video TV2, All That We Share? Quiz. This section of the quiz is for marks and is designed to see how well you have understood the material. Managed dissent is creating an environment in which it's okay to disagree, seek clarification, and discuss new ideas between two people that are equally knowledgeable, two people with unequal knowledge, two people who, although initially have unequal knowledge, take steps to ensure knowledge is the same before dissenting. Which diagram exemplifies exclusion? Diagram A, green dots in the center of the circle, red, blue, and yellow dots outside of the circle. Diagram 2, green dots inside a larger circle, red, yellow, and blue dots inside smaller circle. Large circle, green dots inside the large circle, a smaller circle with red, yellow, and blue dots. Diagram A, diagram B, or diagram C, explained in respective order. What do you think is the problem with the golden rule? Treat others the way you want to be treated. Joseph is a member of the LGBTQ plus community. What diversity is that an example of? Diversible or visible diversity traits, invisible diversity traits. How do ideas suggested in the new idea box get approved? A, they are debated on and voted on in the executive group. B, there is a company-wide vote. C, they are discussed at the group of peers and implemented if consensus is reached. D, there is a public forum and debate followed by votes within the executive group. Which countries are we currently partnered with in our initiative to provide world-class digital learning programs? A, Ethiopia and Ghana. B, China and Taiwan. C, Egypt and South Sudan. D, Ivory Coast and Benin. What is corporate social responsibility?